Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, now's your chance to go and click on that button. Thank you. Today I'm going to read Peppa Goes Swimming. It is a lovely sunny day and Peppa and her family are at the swimming pool. Peppa, George, let Daddy put on your armbands, snorts Mummy Pig. Today is George's first time at the pool and he's a bit scared of getting in. Why don't you just put one foot in the water, suggests Daddy Pig. Maybe George should try and put both feet in at the same time, says Mummy Pig. Splash! Mummy Pig convinces George to jump into the water and he loves it. Shouts George happily. Oh, well done, George, snorts Daddy Pig. Here is Rebecca Rabbit with her brother Richard and their mummy. Hello everyone, cries Rebecca. Squeak, squeak, says Richard. Richard, hold on to this float and you can practice kicking your legs, says Mummy Rabbit. George, would you like to try kicking your legs? Asks Mummy Pig. Hee hee, float, giggles George. Oh, very good, laughs Daddy Pig. But please try not to splash. Big children don't splash, adds Peppa. Big children are very good at swimming, snorts Peppa. When George and Richard are older, they will be able to swim like us, won't they, Rebecca? Yes, says Rebecca as she watches the boys kicking. Peppa and Rebecca race each other up and down the pool with their armbands on. They are having lots of fun swimming and splashing in the water. Oops! Richard has dropped his toy watering can into the pool. Mummy, wah! Cries Richard. Sorry, Richard, I can't reach. It's too far down, says Mummy Rabbit. Luckily, Daddy Pig is an excellent swimmer. He takes off his glasses and dives down to get it. Oh, there you go, snorts Daddy Pig. Squeak, squeak, says Richard. Well done, Daddy, smiles Mummy Pig. Oh dear, now Richard is soaking Daddy Pig with the watering can. What a naughty rabbit. Hee hee hee. George thinks it's hilarious. Everyone has had a wonderful day at the pool. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in my next video. Bye!